Thena coin is turning heads again today as it fires up with a solid 25% pump in the last 24 hours, pushing its price to around 16 cents and reminding the market that this DeFi-focused ecosystem still has plenty of momentum left in the tank. What's interesting about today's move is that it doesn't look like a simple bounce. The volume has jumped sharply, liquidity inflows are steady, and a wave of fresh activity is coming directly from the growing attention around Thena's ecosystem on the BNB chain. That combination is why the chart finally broke out of its consolidation zone and is now showing a cleaner, more confident bullish structure. A lot of traders have been watching Thena closely because its decentralized exchange model is starting to gain visibility again, especially with liquidity incentive updates rolling out and new partners stepping into the ecosystem. The AMM narrative is heating up across the broader market, and Thena benefits heavily whenever the conversation shifts toward yield, emissions, and protocol-owned liquidity. That's exactly what's happening now. Sentiment is turning positive, and the community is openly calling this pump the beginning of a larger recovery cycle. Over the past week, Thena's development team has been pushing multiple updates around incentives, pools, and platform optimization, keeping the ecosystem active and preventing stagnation. That constant momentum is part of what's fueling today's move, because traders love a project that keeps delivering on-chain activity instead of just tweeting promises. Even whales have started nibbling again, with several mid-sized buys appearing on-chain as soon as the coin began pushing upward. That's a sign of confidence, not guaranteed, of course, but enough to build excitement around the possibility of a continuation rally. Another reason Thena is gaining traction right now is the broader pump across BNB chain tokens. Whenever BNB ecosystem sentiment flips bullish, smaller but fundamentally active projects like Thena often see exaggerated upside because they're already positioned within the right narrative. If the BNB chain continues to attract liquidity, Thena is likely to be one of the coins that benefits more aggressively in short bursts like we are seeing today. Looking ahead, the next major question everyone is asking is whether Thena can stretch this rally toward the 20-cent zone, which is the next psychological and technical barrier on the chart. If volume continues rising at the current pace, that level doesn't look far at all, especially with fresh liquidity pouring into DeFi plays. But if the market cools down or Bitcoin decides to slow the party, Thena could revisit the 14 to 15 cent support range before attempting another breakout. That's just normal market behavior, nothing unusual.